All right, let me take you into the Chalet Bunkie. It's one of the most aesthetically pleasing bunkies we have. First thing you'll notice about it is the really generous overhang it's got. It's 4 feet of overhang, which is as much as you can go, or as much as the engineers will let you go, and a really great kind of aesthetic to the front face. This is our tallest single-story bunkie, and it's got a really solid door here, custom-made wood door with a double glazed tempered glass insert. You can also get it with optional grills. They'll come with it, and if you like this more modern look, you can remove them, or you can leave them in if you like the more kind of cottagey look. Hardware is included, the keys, locks, all that type of thing. If you want to follow me inside the building. So right now we've got set up where there's a double bed with a single over the top. It's more than tall enough for a relatively tall bunk bed, as well as lots of light because of the front face with the big windows. This side window here, as all of our windows, comes with the hardware, weather stripping, a door or a bottom window sweep, so it really seals up nicely. And the screens, of course, are pre-installed. So all you gotta do is basically slide it in, put your hardware in, and you're good to go. It takes everyone about 20 minutes to install a window, if less. The kit itself is made of premium J-grade spruce. What that means is it's gonna be durable, but the boards are also gonna be straight, and aesthetically, it looks like $1 million. The kit itself includes the roof, the floorboards, as well as all the hardware and windows and doors, and you can stain it any color you want. The client here has chosen to keep it a natural spruce look. This particular model is exactly 10 feet by 10 feet in size, so in a lot of areas across Canada and America as well, it doesn't require a permit. Obviously check with your local mafia to be sure. In other words, this bunkie is super popular because it's just a tight, versatile space, and most clients finally can build it in 1 to 3 days with just a little bit of family bonding and a team effort. If you want to find out more about the Chalet Bunkie, you can email me directly, david@bunkielife.com, or better yet, visit our website, bunkielife.com. We can't wait to help your family create extra space for meaningful connection. We hope to hear from you soon.